Namaste everyone. Today on 7th August, we are celebrating National Handloom Day. We are celebrating this day to give honor to the handloom weavers and to create awareness of the handloom industry and its importance. It also aims to create awareness and benefits of handloom industry to the younger generations. Now let us see what is the history of the National Handloom Day. Our Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi has inaugurated the first National Handloom Day on 7th August 2015 in Madras University. The date 7 August has been selected to commemorate the Swadeshi movement which was launched in Town Hall, Kolkata on the same day in 1905. Let us see what is a handloom. Basically, a loom is an electric machine which is used to weave a fabric, and a handloom is a loom which is used to weave a fabric without using electricity. The basic motion or the basic principle of weaving is performed by the hands. A fabric woven on handloom with hand-spun yarn is called as khadi, and a fabric woven on handloom with mill spun yarn is called as handloom fabric. Now let's see how handloom workers spin yarn and weave fabric by hand. Cleaned and carded cotton is spun using a charkha, a hand operated spinning wheel. The spun cotton yarn is braided into skeins. These skeins are loaded onto bobbins. These bobbins will be used for weft the crosswise threads of the cloth. Others will be used for the warp, the lengthwise threads of the cloth. To load the warp on a loom, each warp thread is first passed through an eyelet and then a comb. The bobbins are placed in a shuttle. The shuttle will carry the weft threads back and forth across the loom. The weaver uses pedals to control two frames. Each frame holds half of the eyelets. As one frame pulls up, the other pulls down. Together the frames separate the warp threads. The weaver passes weft through the space created between the warp threads. After every pass, she alternates the frames, interlacing the weft between warp. She beats the weft threads close together with comb. One pass at a time, the plain woven cloth is manufactured. Along with plain fabric, different types of design fabrics also can be manufactured on handloom. Let's check various types of fabrics that can be woven on handloom. Patala. The double ikat fabric comes from Gujarat in western India. Tweed. Unfinished woolen fabric that is used for several purposes. Pashmina. A fabric from North India, it is used for warm cloths. Jamdani. Also known as dhakai, it is a fine muslin. Paithani. It is a hand woven silk sari with ornamental threading and borders. It is very essential to create awareness about the importance of handloom industry in the socio-economic development of the nation. So, on this National Handloom Day, Let's support the handloom weavers and encourage everyone to buy the handloom products. I would like to say thanks to Director Principal Mrs. Sasmita Mohanty ma'am and Mr. Anil Shinde Patil sir for giving me this opportunity to present this information in front of you. धन्यवाद.